some chess problems. So what to do here? So I'm attacking this bishop with both knight, queen and a rook. So I can just take knight takes d5. But after that it's just possible that black can take with a rook. Rook takes d5, and then I will lose some material if I just take back with a queen. So what is the idea here? It's just possible to go with bishop to g5 and try to eliminate this knight here. If bishop goes somewhere, I will just take this twice and take a knight. Yeah, I think this is a solution. So after this, I can just eliminate a knight and take the bishop with a knight. But then also, if I just take this, maybe it's possible for black to take on f3 with the bishop. And then if I just take queen on d8, it's possible to recapture with the bishop. So here is interesting right now. Bishop f6. So if I take on f6, bishop recapture with on f6, then it's fine. I will just take on d5. But if I take on f6, it's interesting what to do. So after bishop takes f6, what to do after bishop takes f3? I don't think it's so powerful, so I can just go maybe queen g5 or some. I will take. Yeah, it's not so hard problem, but I overthink it. Let's go to the next problem. So what to do here? There are a couple of interesting ideas. First, we need to look checks and captures. So one idea is just to take rook on f1, but after, for instance, queen takes f1, it's not enough material to proceed with this idea. So second move that's very interesting, I think is just to take a pawn on f2 with a check. Why is that interesting? Because it's impossible to recapture with a rook because queen is hanging. So after e takes f2 with check, king needs to take a pawn, and then what? Well, it's possible to go on different paths after that. But I think that this is solution, so to take this. So after that, there are different possibilities. One is just to go here with check, and I think it's the best. And after this, just go here and take everything. C3 check. So here the main idea is if I just take this pawn, white can take my bishop. And I need to move my king somewhere. So there are two different moves. One is to take on c3 here, and the other one is just to go with the king on e5. So after king takes c3, rook takes d5, what I can do? I definitely can just push a pawn. And if rook a1, then just king b2. It looks smart. And then I think just here, yeah, this is the solution. So this is the end game. I think it's easy to win this end game. What is important? It's important to go with the king, capture this pawn, and take this one with a bishop. Just to see what is the best way to do it. I think just here. So maybe yeah, it's fine to go here, I think. Here, I will just take it. And then it's best to go here, 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 take it, here. Okay. Bishop takes on j7. So I think it's just interesting to give check here, and then after white takes the pawn, give check maybe here. So the only move is just king f3. Then I can give check here. Yeah, I think it's a solution. Should be. Okay, he's going back. So I think that even here is the best to take this bishop. And I will just take it. Okay. I think it's enough for today.